Hey everyone! Want to power up your meals with some extra protein? Whether you're trying to build muscle, stay fuller for longer, or simply maintain a balanced diet, adding high-protein meals is a fantastic way to do it. And guess what? You don't have to eat the same old bland dishes every day. Let's explore some tasty, protein-packed meal ideas that will keep your energy high and your taste buds happy. 1. Grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Let's kick it off with a classic, a grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Chicken is a lean protein powerhouse, and quinoa is a grain that packs a protein punch. Toss in some leafy greens, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and top it with a light vinaigrette. You've got a delicious, satisfying meal that's full of flavor and protein. It's great for lunch or a light dinner and will leave you feeling energized. 2. Chickpea and spinach stir-fry. Now, if you're looking for a plant-based option, try a chickpea and spinach stir-fry. Chickpeas are loaded with protein, and spinach adds not only a boost of vitamins but also a good fiber content. Sauté the chickpeas with garlic, cumin, and a little olive oil, then toss in the spinach until it wilts. Serve it with some brown rice or even as a wrap filling for a protein-rich, vegetarian delight. 3. Turkey and veggie skillet. How about a one-pan wonder? A turkey and veggie skillet is easy to make and full of protein. Ground turkey is lean, flavorful, and incredibly versatile. Sauté it with your favorite veggies like bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. Add in some spices like paprika and chili flakes for a little kick. This dish is quick to whip up and keeps you full while offering a solid dose of protein. 4. Cottage cheese and fruit bowl. Looking for something lighter, maybe for breakfast or a snack? A cottage cheese and fruit bowl is your answer. Cottage cheese is a high-protein dairy option, and when paired with fresh fruits like berries, pineapple, or even a drizzle of honey, it becomes a refreshing, protein-packed snack. It's also a great post-workout meal to refuel your muscles. 5. Lentil soup. For a cozy and protein-rich meal, lentil soup is the way to go. Lentils are packed with protein and fiber, making them perfect for keeping you full. Cook them with carrots, celery, onions, and some vegetable broth. Add in your favorite spices, like turmeric or cumin, for an extra flavor boost. It's a hearty, nutritious meal that's perfect for meal prep or when you need something warm and comforting. There you have it. High-protein meal ideas that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Whether you're into chicken, turkey, or prefer plant-based options like chickpeas and lentils, these meals are sure to fuel your body and keep you feeling strong throughout the day. What's your favorite high-protein meal? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to try out these ideas for your next meal prep.